Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find general management. Now let's tap on language, which should be at the very top, and here we've got the list of all previously added and applied languages. We've got only English, so let's enter the list. And as you can see here, we've got the list of the languages which are divided into two different sections. So the suggested and the Samsung suggested. If you cannot find the language right here, no worries. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on all languages, because as you can see, your device will extend and the language list and add probably the language you're looking for. If you want to set the new language, just find it and tap on it. So let me pick something like maybe oh my god, okay, whatever, let me pick this one. And as you can see, here you can pick the regions, sometimes of course depending on the language. So let me tap on it, and your device will ask you if you want to set new language as a default one. So of course just tap on set as default, and as you can see, it will immediately appear at the very top of this list, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Of course, if you've got like two different languages added here in this list, you can change between them without the need to go to the whole list. Just tap on the one and probably it is apply. So let's tap, and immediately the English language will appear at the very top of this list, and of course will be applied. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list also. Just tap on edit. As you can see right now, you can mark them, or you can change the position of them, so you can reorder them, and tap on remove if you want to. Tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.